Hello students, welcome to your channel Knowledge Kettle. Today I am very happy to announce that we are going to start a new series of current affairs for all one-day exams. Either it is banking exams, SSC exams, railway exams, UPSC or even KVS or other teaching exams. I hope these series will definitely help you to gain maximum marks in current affairs. So without further delay, let's start it. First question. So digital lending platform, that is DLP, for retail loans has been launched by which Indian public sector bank? There is a hint for you. The tagline of the bank is India's International Bank. Yes, you can guess easily now, Bank of Baroda. So Bank of Baroda recently launched a digital lending platform, that is DLP, for retail loans. Next question. India's first pollinator park is situated in which state? The first pollinator park situated in Haldwani, and Haldwani is in Nainital, which is a district of Uttarakhand. So the first pollinator park is in Uttarakhand, Haldwani. Next, which state government has decided to include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum? So this is a very good initiative taken by Uttar Pradesh government, that they will include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum so that the students are able to learn about the Sikh gurus in their school curriculum. Next question. The highest meteorological center is situated in, so the answer is Leh in Ladakh, which is approximately 3,500 meters above the sea level. So the highest meteorological center is in Leh, Ladakh, which is about 3,500 meters above the sea level. Next question. Which country joined as the sixth member of the Five Eyes intelligence network? This is a very important question. Please mark it. Five Eyes. First of all, you have to know about what is Five Eyes intelligence network. There are 5 countries which are already the part of this intelligence network, and now recently another country joined them as a 6th member, and the 6th member is Japan, which recently joined this Five Eyes intelligence network. And the 5 already joined countries are Canada, Britain, New Zealand, US, that is United States, and Australia. They are already the present members of this intelligence alliance. Next question. Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020 is received by whom? So the Eminent Engineer Award is received by Vinod Kumar Yadav, and Vinod Kumar Yadav is a chairman and CEO of Railway Board Ministry. So Vinod Kumar Yadav, you can also call him VK Yadav. So he received the Eminent Engineer Award for year 2020. And Engineer Day is celebrated on 15th of September. Which car manufacturers is to start its sales operations in India in 2021? So from this year, a car manufacturer company starts its sales operations in India, and you can easily guess it from the options. This is Tesla. Tesla is the car manufacturer which is going to start its sales operations in India in 2021. Nikita Khakimo is associated with which sports? Recently, Nikita Khakimo is banned for 5 years, and she is a player of badminton, and she is a Russian. So Remember the name? Nikita Khakimov. She is a Russian. Dash state inaugurated Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science and Research Center. So which state inaugurated this Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science and Research Center? Karnataka. Yeah. Karnataka is the state which inaugurated Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Medical Science and Research Center. Next question. How many teams will be playing in Indian Premier League, that is IPL, from 2022? Please remember, it is not 2021, it's 2022. So from 2022 there will be total 10 teams which are going to play in Indian Premier League, that is IPL. So number of the teams will be 10. Next, Pompeii, an archaeological site, is located in which country? So the country is Italy. Italy, the capital of Italy is Rome, and Pompeii is an archaeological site which is located here, and recently it is in news as some traces are found here of this archaeological site. So Pompeii is situated in Italy. A 5-day Tansen Music Festival was celebrated from 26 to 30 December 2020 in which state? So the Tansen Music Festival, which is of about 5 days festival, it is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh, and specifically in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And if examiner asks you about Tansen Award, so the Pandit Satish Vyas, who is a santoor player, is awarded by Tansen Music Award or Tansen Award. So these are the current affairs for today. So I would suggest you that please just go through the CMs, that is chief ministers, capitals and famous national parks and rivers or dams related to the states which were recently in news. For example, when I ask you question regarding any state, try to learn the state as well as the respective data also. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video for sure.